So for today's video, I'm going to be fixing this roof vent seal above the bathroom vent. Um, Hopefully this can save you a trip to the repair shop and save you some money. So I noticed this when I was doing the last video and I was measuring this out. I noticed the sill was hanging down. This isn't the first time this has happened. It has fallen out before. It fell out after about 1 year. So most people's sill has probably fallen out and they don't know, and there's just extra wind noise or maybe a little bit of water in your bathroom that you don't really notice. But taking this out is easy. 2 Phillips head screws. All you need is a Phillips head screwdriver. They're not very long. Just make sure you don't drop them and end up losing them. So I didn't want it to fall back in the housing or in the fan. And here's the little seal. It's just a foam seal that goes around it. It's nothing crazy expensive or whatever. And like I said, it's fallen out before, so I've done this before. Now, I ordered 2 different types of seals. This one is this is like what Thor put in. Very small foam windowsill, 1/16 to 3/16. I ordered this rubber one instead. I want to try this one to see if this will work. It goes a little bit thicker, up to 7/30 seconds, but it has a 10-year warranty versus a 3. So I'm hoping that it stays stuck. There must be a lot of weather and elements that make this just break down up there. So this is all you gotta do. You just let's go with the shape. The shape of these is like a tapered shape. It's narrow on the top and wider on the bottom. It goes on the wall of the vent cover, and it sticks to the outer edge to make the ring. You can see how I just go around the whole outer edge. Don't try and place it on the vent cover so it faces like straight down, I guess you would say. I tried that before, and your vent won't close all the way, and it'll pop up while you're driving. So with the new seal on there, I got this down. It seems like it's tight. I got the screws tightened. I don't think this is going to lift up. It actually seems like it's doing a pretty good job with that rubber seal, even though it's like slightly thicker. It seems like it can close all the way down and then not want to lift up too easy. So you'll know if it lifts up because you'll go for a drive, and then when you park somewhere, you'll be like, did I open this? But it will just pull itself up as you're going. I checked this from the inside. It seems pretty tight. So I think this will work. This feels a lot better than when I messed it up before when I did this. I put a thicker seal on it and it didn't work out. So I hope that this rubber one works. Now the next video, I'm kind of working on this right now. I've already got the little filters out of the air conditioner. I want to look at my model number. I ordered a soft start for it, so hopefully a soft start video is coming up soon. So that's it for this video. Like and subscribe for more content, and thank you for watching.